Hello everyone and welcome back to another video log. Today, a shorter day than usual, but doesn't mean it was good or bad. But it was definitely a better experience than what was yesterday. As well, we did some C++, better than doing absolutely jack all for like over an hour yesterday. And there was a double whammy of C++, and for the first lecture, it was more of just learning and understanding C++, whereas with the second lecture is more of understanding what to do for our assignment and getting to do a bit of C++ to help us out in terms of doing the math. So, you know, I do also have a presentation tomorrow, which I fucking hate. We'll have to do some of it today and do some finishing touches tomorrow, but honestly, I fucking hate it. Like, honestly, it is such a lazy way to teach. Doing forcing groups of people to do a presentation on like certain topics about a certain subject is such a lazy way of teaching. It is good if it's done occasionally, like maybe once or twice, maybe stretching it to like 3 to 5 times a year, but not like every fucking week. It being done every week is just a stupid idea. Makes no sense and is just a lazy way of teaching. It is just that. But honestly, I rather just be doing C++ more than anything else. I just rather learn that than just some security jargon that will never, but I will probably will never use. I could care less. As in most cases, if you want to know about security, there are like so many YouTube videos. There are so many sources on how to keep your sorry ass safe. You can even just use a VPN and you're already safer. You're of course not 100% safe, but you're safer, which is always something. And you can always go like several miles deeper in, use multiple VPNs, use a virtual machine for all of your like browsing stuff. So in case you are that kind of person that just clicks on all the sus links, if it's done on a virtual machine, it will do nothing. But you always have to be careful about what you type and where you type it. That you always have to be careful about. But it's really no biggie. Like honestly, as long as you're well educated about all the problems that are with like security, if you understand their flaws and you know roughly how to make a workaround on how to deal with it, there is no point to be doing this. Like, if it's to like work at the server, then yeah, I understand. Like understanding all the software, hardware, how to make it all work and how it all interconnected. Yes, that is useful. But like knowing the basic security of like a fucking business is like fucking useless. Like honestly, I could care less about about a business and the security details. That's not what I'm here for. I'm here to do game development more than anything else, and not to fucking. Okay, so here's a security plan. I would advise this, this, and this. Even though you could have had someone that is an actual specialist that already has graduated and already has a diploma for all this fucking shit, or is already working for a specific field for several years, or at least a few. That probably knows better than I. Well, like honestly, at this point, I'm just speaking gibberish about how I hate the fucking data security and compliances. Because honestly, it's just a stupid thing to teach. If I pick a course that is game development, why do I need to have at least one module or two that is about data security? If things happen, they happen. And if it happens, Google search. It can easily like solve most things. But even then, there's an easy solution of hiring a specialist that didn't pick game development. Like, if anything, you should prioritize teaching those that, you know, chose data security and not those that chose game development. And mind you, from what I know, only me and like two of my friends are the only ones on the game development course. Like, what the fuck? Like, honestly, it is just ridiculous. Like, the way they teach, the way they organize is just like on like a different level. But that really goes to like most schools anyway. To certain courses, it's just the same thing applies. It's you always get taught the most useless things that you will probably never use. We and I'm just gonna be constantly saying this. The education system needs to change. I myself, I do not like the education system that is still the same shit for God knows how long. It's probably older than me by like 10 times. And I'm 19. So the fuck? Like, why is the system so shit, but still used? It's like the government is trying to scam the fucking populace. Just brainwash the populace just so that they benefit more from stupid people. But people that are actually smart enough, they do not care a single bit. They only care about the ones that vote for them and just, fill their pockets. But honestly, it just sucks. Life sucks. School sucks. Everything sucks. But that is just me rambling and rambling on about things that probably doesn't even matter. But yeah, I'm just gonna be ending it for today. Hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have any questions, just plop them down below. And yeah, see you guys next time. Stay healthy and peace.